Hello YouTube. This is DaretoBeCreative. How are you guys doing today? Hope everybody is doing well. And I am so glad you stopped by my channel. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and be a member so we can keep you creative. So anyway, and thank you for those who've been here before for continually coming back. I have a Walmart haul. Well, this is two different hauls from three different Walmarts. Anyway, so I just been holding them, but anyway, I'm gonna put it all together. It's a combination of crafty and some office supply stuff, but anyway, I will show you what I got. They had these on clearance for $1. These always come in handy, whether for mine, I have my own dry erase board that I put my notes and stuff for me to do. And this, or I can give it to my grandson, but you know, but they use them in school a lot. But anyway, it was on clearance for $1, so I thought it was a good deal. Got another one of these little Tupper cases that I use for utility trays. These are cheap in the fish out. Oh gosh, the fishing items, you know, you get, you know, always good for automotive and in the fishing department. Whenever you want to get some storage boxes, they're a lot cheaper. And then in the craft section, they usually have price. So I just got another one of those for some reason. Some more stuff from my office. I needed some more. These 5x7 inkjet papers for my printer. Got some. There's a sticker project paper, which every time I was, they had some before, but they always were opened, and I don't like good stuff that's open. That's just me. So I was waiting to find out that wasn't open. So I got some. So this is the matte finish 8.5 by 11. These are sheets, and it says you can use with your electronic cutting machines. And of course, these are by Avery. They also have the Nina ones as well too. And this is just some address labels, and you can use this for address labels. You can put your business logo on it or thank you on it, whatever you want to. You know, lots of different things. And then they also had the circle. And then, hold on one second. Alright, so they had the rounds 2 inches. That's the size, what it looks like, 2 inches. And then they also had the squares, 2 inches. I got one of each. But anyway, so that was just some stuff I needed for office. And then just some little crafty stuff. They had these beads in all different colors. And I got them. These are more like the brown color, only because I didn't have this color. I got the pink, the blue, the green, the purple, yellow, whatever. I got all the colors but brown. So, yeah, I got the brown one. I got some more gel pens, the silver, the gold, and the white. Got some more earring pieces, just some lots of claws. I always say that with the clasp. Some more of the ribbon ends. I wanted more gold, but they only had the gold with the silver. And then we're just trying the gold pack. I did get 2 of the keychains with the lobster claws. Claps. I keep saying, see, I cannot say it. Clasp, not claws. I want to say claws. I got some of the split rings. And then I got some of the gold lobster clasp. And I cannot find a thicker pack of those. But anyway, got some more of those. I picked up this real red paint because I was out of my red. And then I bought a whole bunch of stickers. They had on, well, let me show you this too. I got these charms. And then I did get these stickers. These are just, yeah, I thought like these are just sometimes nice to put in Happy Mail. So these are like 4 sheets, just some sticker sheets that people can use for their planner. So these are just nice fillers to have. And then these two I thought so as well. This was on clearance, and I think this was $1. And this has 20 sheets in here, and this was $1. So this is great, you know, stuffer as well. And then these were on sale. Said 50 cents, they rang up 25 cents. So these, it says calculator stickers, but these are just alphas, so you don't need them for calculators. You can use these on, well, a layout or anything. I mean, just whatever. So these are repositional too. So yeah, so I just got 2 each font, and boom. Like I said, it was on clearance, just different fonts and stuff. So add those creatively. And then I was at the store, like I had one of the stores I really don't go to in one of the adjacent cities, but I don't know, I felt like going there today just to see what they had, and I found this ribbon. Oh my God, I just bought ribbon in my last Walmart haul, and I turned around and got some more. I mean, I know I didn't need it, but oh my gosh, it was these leather, faux leather, and they had 5 different ones, so they had them different sizes, and they were cheaper. They were only $1.20, so that was really a good deal. So this, of course, is like your cowhide right here. So this one is 7/8, and this one is 3/8. Both 9 feet. No, I'm sorry, this is 9 feet, the 3/8, and the 7/8 is 6 feet. And again, this is faux leather, right? So then let's get a leopard print right here, and then you have again the same thing. These will make some nice bows. We got our cheetah. I like animal print. I showed this to my friend. Hey Donna. She said ew, because she don't like snakes. I'm not a snake lover or anything, but you know, I've held my several pythons before, and they don't feel like, you know, you think they would feel. And I'm not a big crazy animal lover, but I've had a neighbor that had snakes, and then at school, or the school I used to be at, they brought the zoo in years ago, and you know, it was my first time. When I first started working my first job, and they brought in snakes, and I was like, let me be bold and try it. And then on a home visit one time, and boy, my my client wanted me to hold that snake, and I did. They had one too, so I don't know. I don't have a fear of them. The big snakes don't bother me. It's the small, fast, like when they slither, the too fast ones and stuff. But big snakes they're cool, but they feel really nice. Their skin is it's really cool. But anyway, I don't know. I like the animal skin print, so I got those. I didn't need any ribbon. I know I didn't. I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more, but I couldn't pass it up. And I'm just rambling now. So anyway, that is the end of my Walmart haul. And I just want to tell you again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.